Welcome to this comprehensive guide on common issues with Venmo requests. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their mobile devices. However, like any other online service, Venmo is not immune to issues. In this guide, we will walk you through some of the most common problems that users encounter when sending or receiving money through Venmo. First, let's start with the basics. When you send a Venmo request, the recipient has the option to either pay or ignore the request. If the recipient ignores the request, it will expire after a certain period of time. One common issue that users face is when the recipient does not receive the request. This can happen due to a number of reasons, including incorrect phone numbers or email addresses. Another common issue is when the sender does not have sufficient funds in their account to cover the request. In this case, the request will be declined and the sender will be notified. To avoid this issue, it's essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account before sending a request. Some users may also experience issues with Venmo's security features. For example, if a user's account is flagged for suspicious activity, their requests may be declined or delayed. To avoid this, it's essential to use Venmo's two-factor authentication feature and to keep your account information up to date. In addition to these issues, some users may also experience problems with Venmo's transaction limits. Venmo has a weekly spending limit, which can range from $299 to $4,499, depending on whether your account is verified or not. If you try to send a request that exceeds this limit, it will be declined. To resolve common issues with Venmo requests, it's essential to check your account information and ensure that it is up to date. You should also verify your account to increase your weekly spending limit. Additionally, make sure to use the correct phone number or email address when sending a request. In conclusion, common issues with Venmo requests can be frustrating, but they can be easily resolved by following a few best practices. By ensuring that your account information is up to date, verifying your account, and using the correct contact information, you can avoid common issues and use Venmo with confidence.